When I'm personally buying skincare for myself, I don't like to spend a ton of money, and so today I wanted to recap some of my favorite affordable skincare picks. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. At a time where everything is so expensive and it can be important to find a simple skincare routine that does not break the bank, today I want to provide some options depending on your skin concerns and some products I'm personally loving that are not going to break the bank. Some of these may be a steeper price point initially, but I'm more looking at value with these products. So I can't wait to dive in and share these product recommendations with you. One of the best cleansers I found I can use both on my face and on my body that doesn't strip the skin is cocokind's Milky Soft Face and Body Cleanser. Super balanced, light foaming cleanser that is super milky, doesn't strip the skin but yet doesn't leave a film, and effectively cleanses my face when I need it. This has a wonderful value and it's under $20, which is amazing. Such a great feel to a cleanser. It's perfectly balanced where I feel like it is cleansing enough, doesn't strip my skin, prevents acne from coming up on my face, and is a perfect milky balanced cleanser. When I'm struggling with really bad redness and acne, Prequel's Redness Reform Cleanser is my go-to. This is one of the best values for a cleanser for me because sulfur and azelaic acid combined in this product blended perfectly to help combat some redness and acne. It can be a little bit of a drying cleanser because it does have sulfur. Just when I use it way too much, I feel like this is just a situational product, but it's been one of the best treatments for my acne. I'll leave it on as a face mask 5 to 10 minutes for 2 to 3 times a week, and that is perfect for me to ensure I'm getting a treatment out of this product as well as an effective foaming cleanser. It is super nice for the face and a wonderful value to a cleanser as well. More foaming yet considerate of the skin barrier cleanser that has a wonderful value to it is Byoma's Rice Foaming Deep Cleanser. This is more of a purifying cleanser, but not in a stripping way, just more balancing for the face and more of an intense cleanse if you are needing that. I feel like this worked really well to soften my skin, worked great for my acne prone skin, and was super considerate of the skin barrier considering it does have a moisturizing texture at first. Foams up amazing, almost one of the best foams I have seen from a cleanser, and Byoma's products are such a good value, and I'm glad it's easily accessible at the drugstore. This is a super nice, more purifying cleanser formulation. Sunscreen is one of the most important steps of the skincare routine, and one that I found is super lightweight, uses more modern filters, and is easily accessible with a wonderful value to it is Geek and Gorgeous's Zero Feel. This is one of the best innovations on the skincare market, utilizing more advanced filters that are typically not allowed to be sold in the United States. They market it as a day cream. They don't mention this product has SPF, but it does. This is a great protectant for the skin, matte finish that leaves zero feel to the face given the nature of the name, and it's just an all-around beautiful sunscreen that I find myself wanting to reapply with. They also just did research that this is a water-resistant formula, which is amazing. I've been using it in the summer and it's been a great affordable option, so get more than a typical sunscreen concentration with this. Above 2 fluid ounces, which is almost unheard of with a sunscreen. This is amazing to reapply with, both in terms of feel and for the value. Eye creams are something that are not necessarily worth it unless you are going for an affordable option that's designed to treat your under eye area, which is exactly why I love remedies for dark circles. It didn't cause any size, any sensitivity, or anything negative with my under eye area. It has a great potent blend of ingredients in it that I found is super effective. Now, eye creams are kind of a splurge product, not necessarily something you need in the skincare routine, but if you do struggle with dark circles, this could be a really good option for you. Mandelic acid is one of my favorite AHA exfoliants, and that's why I'm glad Verse does have pore clearing serum. Combining mandelic and salicylic acid, I feel like this is a perfect lightweight fluid serum for acne prone skin, especially if you struggle with enlarged pores, acne, texture, moisturizer. This covers a lot of skin concerns that I find myself needing to treat. It's gentle enough for me at least to use daily, and it's a super lightweight formula that I really enjoy. Ectoin is one of these ingredients. It is blended in a lot of formulations, but one of the more simple ones is the Ordinary's rice lipids plus ectoin emulsion. This is something that I add to a moisturizer when I'm wanting that extra added soothing boost of ectoin. I love this product for my redness and my sensitivity. It's not something I found I can use as a moisturizer in the summer. I define this as a moisturizer, but it's very fluid-like, almost like a milky toner. And I feel like it's perfect to add a soothing step to the skin or a lightweight hydration step that could also soothe the skin in a very lightweight way. It's a great primer, softens the skin, and also creates a beautiful base layer for anything you follow with it. When I'm dealing with really irritated chapped skin, which is inevitable with combination skin, Bubble's Soft Swerve Barrier Restoring Balm is one of the richest feeling textures to a moisturizer. This is something that I enjoy using in my really dry areas when I'm dealing with treating my acne in my more oilier areas. Sometimes I'll pull that to my drier areas and it will get a little too sensitized or dry. That's when this is super comforting, and I love how affordable it is for the rich layer of moisturization that you're getting from this product. It is truly one of the richest balms I've tried for a wonderful price point that lasted forever. Oil cleansing is essential in preventing acne from coming up on my skin and getting an effective cleanse at night. And one of my favorite simple affordable oil cleansers is Remedies for Pre-Cleansing. Not only do I love the convenience of the packaging of this product, it truly lasts forever. I've noticed I'm still working on my second container of this. I have used this product for a while. I use it every night because it has oils in it that worked well for my acne prone skin, a wonderful cleansing feeling, and a wonderful emulsification to it as well. One of my favorite oil cleansers, and it's also fragrance free if you are sensitive to fragrance. That's not necessarily a deal breaker for everybody. It is good that they didn't include that in this formula. As someone who has been sensitive to fragrance in the past, it is just a wonderful value. Azelaic acid is essential in my day-to-day skincare routine when I'm wanting to treat acne and redness. And Good Molecules has made one of the most affordable, lightweight azelaic acid treatments that evaporates off of the skin. That is the only way I can describe the texture of this product, because it's a really light emulsion delivery that doesn't leave any finish to the skin, solely acts as a skin treatment, and that is what it does in its simplicity. Super effective formula, 10% concentration with a simple blend in it, and have some added centella in this product that kind of helps counteract any dryness that can come from this formula. I feel like this is one of the best made azelaic acids, especially for the price point. A more lightweight moisturizer step could be Byoma's Hydrating Milky Moisturizer. It has a light gel texture as you rub it in, but starts as a light milk. I love it in the summer. This is the perfect final step moisturizer for me, utilizing great simple ingredients that have worked well to soothe my skin when I'm treating it in the summer. That's why I love using this. I do use it as a layering barrier step in the winter and the colder months. Have oily skin, this is going to be a dream final step moisturizer for you, and similar to all of Byoma's products, comes in a wonderful value. There are so many lip balms on the market, but one of the best simple and affordable options that I found is cocokind Ceramide Lip Blur Balm. They just use the ingredients necessary to treat the skin, moisturize it in a very light way, delivering a comforting benefit while also not delivering too heavy of a finish. It is a little bit more glossy, but I like it for the value. It seems to last a really long time. Has cute, convenient packaging that you can keep on a keychain, and is fragrance free. They have fragrance and fragrance free options if you prefer either, and if you are sensitive to fragrance, I do like that they offer that fragrance free option. When it comes to exfoliating the lips, the Ordinary's PHA Lip Exfoliating Serum is one of the best ones that I have found. I use this specifically at night, and I layer a hydrating lip balm after this is dried for about 2 to 3 minutes. It is super effective at getting some of the dead skin off of my lips, and I love using this in pair with a richer lip balm to give a really nice nourishment. I find that when I'm exfoliating my lips regularly, the hydration gets better as well. And this is so affordable that you're able to remain consistent with this product. Give your lips a nice, gentle level of exfoliation. One of the best values to a really gentle chemical exfoliant is cosrx's AHA BHA toner. When I got this, it came in a spray bottle and I just went in on the face or on the body, but I've seen different packaging with this product. It is super gentle, a nice concentrated blend that is super low combination AHA, BHA, and PHA in this product, and it is super effective in my opinion. Definitely a product I went for in terms of value, and Korean retailers differ on prices, so just make sure you're checking out many different options, but it's truly one of the best. This is a super effective, gentle formulation that I really enjoyed my experience with, and I feel like is really worth the value. When it comes to treating acne in an affordable way, the Ordinary Sulfur to Cream Spot Treatment is such a wonderful option. It is super effective. Sulfur is one of the best ingredients for my acne-prone skin. Calms some redness down from the acne as well, and this product truly lasts forever. I'm just on my second bottle of this, and I use it whenever I go through a pop-up breakout, which can be pretty frequently. This is something that I apply multiple times throughout the day, and I don't feel guilty about it because it is such an affordable and effective product. One of the best balancing face mists that I have found for the skin that has a wonderful value is Cocokind's Calming Magnesium Mist. I love the active-free blend of ingredients in this product that treats the skin and balances my oil production. Found it to be very beneficial with that, and it also does create no finish to the skin while also treating some acne and redness. The blend of minerals in this product was really effective for my skin. I've noticed, and this really made me fall in love with magnesium and the technology that can come from that in skincare. It is an amazing option to have on hand. An everyday moisturizer texture that I feel I just go for comes from Remedy for Moisturizing. This is their richer cream moisturizer. I wanted to mention this because I feel like it has an everyday perfect normal skin texture, meaning if you have more normal skin, you don't have too oily or too dry skin, you're just kind of balanced, this is going to be a velvety, nice texture that's very skin-like. It doesn't leave any heavy finish on the face. It still does give a nice nourishment and comfort to the skin, where I felt like it was perfectly balanced. I love the ingredients of this product. I feel like it is a really good drugstore option. If you struggle bad with discoloration, I feel like Peach Slices made one of the best discoloration serums with their Super Fade discoloration treatment. This is such a gentle, effective concentration that not only worked well for my discoloration, but my post-acne discoloration as well. Comforted the skin, soothed it, and gave a beautiful finish that was more moisturizing. It helped calm my skin. It helped take some of the redness out of my skin, on top of some great discoloration benefits that I have seen over an extended use of using this product. Honestly, if you're wanting affordable skincare, you could turn to Geek and Gorgeous for a full routine. I love so many of their products. Geek and Gorgeous's Liquid Hydration Face Mist is one of the best hydrating face mists that I have ever seen on the market. Utilizing urea, this has one of the best ingredient lists I think I've seen from a hydrating face mist. It doesn't give too heavy of a finish to the face, which I really enjoy. Retinaldehyde is one of these ingredients that is typically pretty expensive, but I found that Geek and Gorgeous has one of the best formulations for a good price point. They include all of the ingredients in it that are necessary, but nothing unnecessary in this formula. It's a very comforting, lightweight emulsion delivery to a retinaldehyde treatment, and it's super effective, so you make sure you are getting an effective concentration. They also have a building block routine, so you can start at the 0.05 and build up if you need to. I'm currently at the 0.2%, and it is super effective. I'm a big fan of it, and I really loved my experience with this treatment. Let me know what affordable skincare you are currently loving at the moment. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week, and I will see you all in the next review.